Hello, my beloved friend. Today I am here again to talk about English. In the previous video, I told you why English is important and why we should learn this thing. And in this video, I am going to talk about practice, how you can practice alone. You may think that you have no partner to practice, but today I am going to give you a solution to this problem. And you know that practicing English is one of the toughest problem English learner face. So in this video especially I am going to talk about how to practice alone at home. You can also do practice alone without any partner. Okay. So there are three aspects. Mainly there are three aspects in English. First is speaking, reading, and writing. These are three aspects of English. And today I only talk about is speaking. Speaking means practice. How you can practice writing practice different, and reading practice different, and speaking practice also different. You know that. So here you will see how you can practice speaking yourself. And before going into that, I would like to say one more thing that you have to promise yourself. You have to promise yourself that you are going to speak English. You have to gather that courage. If you don't have any courage, if you don't promise yourself, and you have to do this thing that I am promising today that after 1 month, 2 months, or something like that, I will speak English. This is the promise you should make, and then only you can do these things. And speaking is not an easy thing to do. And there are so many educated person, they can understand but they cannot speak. I told you in the last video. So what you can do, practice means speaking practice means you have to open up your this machine. Your listening practice different, writing speak practice also different. You have to open up your mouth. So how you can do it? First step, try to understand what I'm saying. For example, you have heard or see or watched a sentence. You have seen a sentence. For example, Raju is a good boy, or else Raju studies in class 6. This sentence you have heard. You have to keep imitation. There is a great solution to this problem of speaking, that is called imitation. Imitation means copy. You have to copy someone. For example, I am telling you that Raju is a good boy. You have to repeat after me. You have to do these things again and again and again. For example, you see a sentence in a book that this person is a good one, and you have to do repeat, and you have to do repeat again and again and again. I cannot tell you how much time you should do it, but you have to do this. You have to imitate this thing until it comes to your mind easily. And when you repeat, these things becomes too easier for all of us. That's how I learned. You can also learn anything this way. And you have to practice again and again and again. Nothing, there is no secret about learning English, and any language you have to practice. It means you have to repeat. Whatever you see, whatever you write, whatever you have written, you have to speak again. But one more thing that is so important, you have to speak loudly. For example, he is going. You have to say, he is going, he is going, he is going, he is going. Like this you have to practice. Once you say He is going, he is going, he is going, he is going. Then next time that sentence will come to your tongue so easily, so perfectly. And making mistake, I told you, making mistake is not a great problem. That is a simple thing. We can make corrects. We can make corrects ourselves by making mistake. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. And please like it.